Hello, 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 everybody. Welcome, welcome, welcome. It's your girl, Saran. I'm back. Had a little hiatus due to some illness, but I want to jump on tonight real quick. I'm traveling, but I want to talk to you about what you don't know about life insurance costing you. What is it costing you and your family? So I'm going to be very brief, but I'm going to get to the point. Not having life insurance, and by the way, it's Life Insurance Awareness Month. So I'm going to talk about it from the perspective of one, it's costing you the ability to protect your income. Two, it's costing you the ability to create generational wealth for your family and future generations. Three, it's costing you the opportunity to create income streams and retirement for yourself that you could never outlive. It's costing you that by not having it. If you have it, you have access to these things. So it's very, very important that you take the time to speak to a professional about these things, especially during Life Insurance Awareness Month. It's time to review it. So many of us do not have enough life insurance. Whoever told you one time your base pay was enough, they lied. They didn't give you enough information. Really reevaluate where you want to be financially now and in the future. Where do you want your family to be if you are no longer here financially? Think about it. I talk to so many clients and I have so many clients that have peace of mind because they put together an advanced plan for their families at an early time so that if something happens to them, they know $500,000 are going to their family members. $1 million are going to their family members. And I know some people may feel like, oh, these are big numbers. But that's a lifetime of income your family won't have access to if you're no longer here. So just really, really, really think about it. Not having life insurance costing you the ability to protect your income, meaning if you lose the ability or have a disability or something that stops you or keeps you from being able to work, you haven't protected your income and you've put yourself in a place of risk. You've put yourself in a place of loss and you've put yourself in a place where you no longer earn, when you no longer earn income, you actually no longer have money. There are plenty of people who have the right protection in place who, if and when they've lost their job, they still have money that they can tap into and make things happen. It's called living benefits. And I'm going to go live and talk more detail about that. But I believe I have a video about that already on my YouTube. Go check it out. The other thing is really making sure you have enough for retirement. Great, you have a 401k. Great, you have a 457b. Great, you have a 403b. Great, you have a pension. You still lucky enough to have a pension at your job. You might be able to get Social Security because it's up in the air for most of us, right? But what's your plan if those things run out? You need to add another strategy, another bucket to make sure that you have the money that you need when you're in your golden years and you can't just jump back out there and go back to work. So those are three things I really want you to think about and know that it's costing you and it's costing your family. And also, I was talking to someone today, it's costing you peace of mind because if you're worried about day-to-day items for taking care of your family and get things done, which most people do, and then you don't have a plan for if you're not here, that's even more stress. So put these things together. You need help, I'm here. That's what your girl Saran does, is I help people put these things in place for themselves so that you don't have to worry. You can walk with confidence in knowing that you've done everything you can to protect you, to protect your family, to create generational wealth, to protect and grow a proper retirement income. So I'm not going to be long before you long because I'm actually still traveling. I'm on business travel right now. but I wanted to get back live since I've been sick the last 2 weeks and hadn't been able to go live. But I'm going to talk to you more in detail about the importance of the life insurance, the tool, the vehicle, the thing that you're missing out on in your portfolio. And yes, that was a bug that just went by. um, but really, really dig deep. It's not a myth. It's not just about burial. It's about so much more. And once we get it, and once you get it, you got it. And you can win. And you can make it so that the next 10 generations of your family, like so many other families, rich families that you may know their names, made sure that their families still have money today and they've been long gone. But it only takes one of you or two of you to step out in your family and say, I'm going to be a person that's going to do this, and I'm going to do this right. And I'm going to set up all the tools, the vehicles, tap into the financial access to all the financial vehicles, do the business strategies, do the real estate, do the Amazon reselling, do all the little things, all these opportunities, take advantage of all the ways there are to make money and to build capital and to strategically place it places so that you don't have to worry not only about what we're doing, what you're doing, but you can move to your next dimension when it's time for you to transition on. You did everything for the next couple of generations. That's peace of mind. And that's all I have for you. Go to the YouTube channel, hit like, share, and subscribe. Go to saranbaker.co, download the free vision and manifestation journal, give you some help in getting direction and setting some goals. Go tap into my brand new TikTok page, Dirty Little Money Secrets. I just dropped 5 videos on there. I'm going to be dropping 2 or 3 more in the next couple of days. And then I'm going to start doing 3, 4, 5, a day just to get you this information out, because it's so important that we not only get this information, but we take this information and we take action and get it done. The important part is not hearing it, not seeing it and reading it, not knowing it. The important part is taking action to get it done and get things in place. So that's all I got tonight. I'm out. I'll see you on the flip side. Peace.